What if cancer could be destroyed in minutes without invasive surgery or chemotherapy? In today's Odyssey, we will explore an incredible molecular innovation that turns this into a reality. A revelatory process developed by a team led by James Tour, coined as molecular plasmonics, uses special artificial molecules called aminocyanines to demolish cancer cells within minutes. This process obliterated over 99% of lab-grown cancer cells and melanoma tumors in mice who we know have similar biological chemistry as humans. In fact, half of the mice studied became cancer-free after just one treatment. These studies offer tremendous hope for a new era of swift, targeted cancer therapies without the risks of traditional methods. But what are the limits to this therapy? How does it work? What are potential side effects? Join me on this odyssey as we dive deep into the science behind this discovery. Understanding this innovative technology will provide insight toward the future of cancer treatment. First, let's look at how molecular plasmonic technology works. The key is to get certain molecules like aminocyanines, cyanines or porphyrins to vibrate extremely fast. The aminocyanine molecules are first injected into the cancer site before being stimulated by near-infrared light, causing them to vibrate at incredibly fast speeds, over 1 million times faster than previous molecular motors. The vibration of the aminocyanine molecules cause electrons to form something called a plasmon along the molecular backbone of each individual molecule. Plasmons are the essentially vibrating electrons that propel movement across the entire molecule, giving it a jackhammer effect. Here's the clever part. The backbone will then insert into the cancer cell's membrane, firmly anchoring the aminocyanine molecule onto the cancer cell's surface. Once it's anchored, the intense vibrational jackhammer motion is put into play, physically disrupting the cancer cell's outer membrane. This leads to leakage of intracellular contents, causing the cancer cell to burst. Here's something to keep in mind. The aminocyanine molecules are not limited to one specific cancer type, but they might have different effects depending on the type of cancer cell they encounter. Near-infrared light enables the aminocyanine molecules to reach further into the body, so that it can target tricky tumors like those in the brain or bone, unlike previous motors like Faringa, which use visible light as a power source to fuel the jackhammer effect. Now, how do these aminocyanine molecules know to target cancer cells while avoiding normal healthy cells? The secret lies in key differences between cancer and healthy cell membranes. Cancer cells exist in a low oxygen environment, a state called hypoxia. To adapt to hypoxia, cancer cells form proteins and surface molecules that differ from the ones that healthy cells create. The aminocyanine molecules are attracted to these unique cancer cell surface molecules by following the lack of oxygen. This drives the molecules to bind to the cancer cells, while mostly sparing normal tissue. Just in case healthy cells are incidentally targeted, the team thought ahead and tested healthy cells to assess safety. Reassuringly, they found that the healthy cells survived the process with moderate damage because they contain high levels of cholesterol, which strengthens their membranes. So while the jackhammers can shred soft cancer cell membranes, the robust membranes of healthy cells stay intact. Another proven cancer treatment called pulsed electromagnetic field or PEMF deliver targeted electromagnetic pulses rather than using light activation to disrupt cancer cell membranes. Compared to molecular plasmonics, PEMF is a less intense treatment. According to the differing results of numerous studies, PEMF effectively breaks cancerous cells and leaves healthy cells largely unaffected. But another study also discovered that PEMF can both stimulate healthy cells to grow, heal damaged tissue, and kill cancerous cells. Whether PEMF targets one type of cell or both seems to depend on many factors. These include the type and stage of cancer, the strength of the magnetic waves, how long they are applied, and response to treatment is on an individual basis. Thank you for embarking on this enlightening odyssey with us. We hope you found this video both enjoyable and informative. Please share your opinion in the comments section of what you think of the aminocyanine molecules. Subscribing is a form of bookmarking the channel to see more of our awesome content. Always stay curious, and we'll see you in the next Odyssey.